guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore that side. My room's a little messy, but anyways. Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing a DIY of how I make these nail samples. So let me sit right here and talk to you guys a little bit about it. These nail samples here that I made a while back while we was in quarantine. Yes, I did have too much time in my hands, you know, whatever. And I had put a lot of time into this. I made a lot, but I have more to make. So I decided to make a video on it of how I make these. And I have all the numbers on here, the colors. I had color coded everything. And these are the rest that I got. I'm going to be using all of these. If I run out, whatever, I just want to get rid of it. And I'm going to be using the gel coat because I feel like it's a lot easier, especially with the drying. Because these here is the other colors that I got. So they're all regular polish. It's the Ken color. This is a pretty color. Pastel yellow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write the numbers on here, and I'm gonna go by colors, so it'll be a lot easier. Maybe I could do I probably could do like a talk through or something. I could talk through it, like kind of fast forward it, but then kind of talk about what I'm doing. So, and please excuse my nails. I got rid of them because they kind of got a little annoying, to be honest. But eventually I will have them back. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the colors started. I'm probably going to do pinks first because I just love pink. Let's go down right here. Maybe I'll do pinks and purples. That'll be cute. I wonder if these works. They probably won't. I'm gonna leave these alone. I hope these work out. These look so sheer. I think I'll pull them all out. Whatever. No, I'll do the pink ones. Okay. I got this from Amazon. I will put the link down in the description. I got the polishes from Amazon. I pretty much got everything from Amazon. Even this nail lamp here, I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna write down the numbers on the polish, and we're gonna go ahead and get to polishing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and polish this.
긴긴 건 점점 긴긴 얘길 나누던 우리 그 밤 둘이라는 건 점점 긴긴 얘길 나누던 우리 그 밤 둘이라는 건 점점 긴긴 얘길 나누던 우리 그 밤 둘이라는 건 점점 긴긴 얘길 나누던 우리 그 밤 둘이라는 건 점점 긴긴 얘길 나누던 우리 그 밤 둘이라는 건 점점
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. My battery died last night, so I wasn't able to record the rest of it. But I ended up finishing one half. These are the ones that I have left to do. Right here, these colors. I love these colors. They're like it like screams fall. It screams fall, for sure. I just love that. Especially these. Oh my god, I cannot wait. But anyway, I just kind of want to show the colors that I did here. I had already put it in these little things, so I'm going to try my best to show what it looks like. So hang on. Okay, so these are the colors I did. I think I showed it already on camera, but these are the blues here that I did. As you can see, I wrote the actual name of the colors and the numbers. I don't know why I should have just wrote all numbers, but it just seems a lot easier, especially for regular polish, to kind of figure out the difference. But yeah, I love these, and I would highly recommend these. This kind of messed up a little bit, so I had tried to reapply it, but it still turned out weird. But anyway, for all my nail people that love doing nails, especially at home, I would highly recommend this if you have the time and the patience, because it's so much easier, especially me collecting so many polishes that I have, that I could pick out whatever color. Like, instead of just looking at the bottle, I can just like actually match the colors on my hand like at least on my finger. Like, okay, for example, if I want to do this color, I match it like this or something. Don't mind my nails. I need to do my nails, but yeah, this is so much easier, and I'm happy with this. I'm happy that I did this. I did a lot of colors here, but I'm gonna be finishing those colors and I'll be done. Ooh, your girl is looking crusty this morning. I need a shower. But I recently did a nail tutorial of a DIY of how I did my nails. I had to do like a pretty pink and purple theme. So if you guys haven't seen that, I will put the link down in the description. And if you guys do enjoy these nail tutorials, give this video a thumbs up because I don't mind recording some more videos. This is pretty fun for me. It's like a new hobby. I think I found my new calling up for this, which is not rocket science of polishing and putting in nails, but for those who don't know how, I can just show how I do them personally without using the drills and stuff if y'all not into that. Acrylics like that. But I would love to learn one day. I would definitely teach myself how to do it. I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll go to school and get a cosmetology license real quick and, you know, be the jack of all trades and have different skills. But I don't know. But as of right now, this is kind of what I've been enjoying, and this is like my favorite hobby so far during this quarantine. So it's like the more I'm at home, the more I found my hidden talents, if that makes sense. So I just love designing. I love creative stuff. Like, I love art, so I feel like this is part of art because you're being creative. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy these nail tutorials, like I said, like this video and comment down below. But let's go ahead and finish this last samples, and I'll show the final results. this gel polish clear coat, so I'm gonna put all the clear coat on top, and then I'm gonna put it under the lamp, and then I'll be done. But this project was a lot of fun, so I definitely would recommend doing this even with friends. It's so much fun to do, or whoever that's into nails. But the only thing I would suggest is to put a mask or something over, because the smell is pretty strong. Not as strong as the gel. It don't really have that strong polish smell, but with regular polish they do. And I haven't polished in regular nails in so long, so I feel like it's making me sick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the clear polish on, and yeah, we'll be done, and I will show the final results of all the colors. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing, since now the nails are dry, I'm going to go ahead and hook it to these colors and color coordinate. So that's what I'm about to do, like right now. They're turned out so pretty. Oopsies. Oh my god, this turned out so pretty. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoy. Please give this a thumbs up if you like these tutorials or these DIYs. Let me know what other DIYs I should do. I really enjoy doing these. I love being creative. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what your favorite nail color is. And then click that notification bell and you'll get notified of every time I post video. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. Join the family. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye guys.